Hi everyone, my name is Frederico Aranha, but please call me Fred. Welcome to my course, IT Service Management Foundations. I am an independent project management and governance consultant. IT Service Management changed completely over the past 10 years. Lean and Agile became dominant and traditional approaches are being left behind. Up to 2011, major frameworks would be based on a structured approach where a net of interconnected processes would be adapted without much true adaptation. But modern ITSM is about enabling digital transformation. This course's main objective is to allow you to become an agent of change, a professional that is able to work in any digital business, any IT operation, that understands the mindset and the techniques employed in contemporary IT service management. Some of the major topics that we will cover include IT service management essential definitions, such as what an IT service is, what's service management, what's value and the definition of cost, utility, warranty, outcomes, outputs, and more. Next, you will discover the backbone of today's IT service management, Lean. We will study together what Lean is, its story, some of its tools, and its general principles. But if Lean provides the toolset for modern ITSM, it is Agile that offers the mindset. Inspired in the latest edition of the world's leading ITSM frameworks and based on the Agile Manifesto, I'll teach you guiding principles to help you understand how today's leaders think when it comes to IT operations. We will also cover basic notions on digital transformation, and I will use a fictional business to help you taking theory into practice. By the end of the course, you'll have a complete understanding of what IT services are and the foundations of today's IT service management, its core concepts and its guiding principles based on Agile. From here, continue your learning by taking our next course in this learning path, ITSM General Practices. I hope you join me on this journey and learn with me the foundations of contemporary IT service management here at Pluralsight.